We are KUWOW. We put every little bit of your expectations into the whole procedure of our style, design, manufacturing, and service. Now, we are proud to announce our multifunctional anti-theft backpack, KUWOW. For that cool factor, the awesome transformers to make for a stunning and worthy wow. We have put a lot of thought into security. The cut and stab resistant material, Calver fiber, has been used to protect our backpacks from any type of damage. The hidden zipper protects your belongings from theft or loss. You can attach your valuable things to the strong clasp so it won't get lost. Straps can be used to hang gadgets such as sunglasses or store small items such as chocolate bar-sized objects that can be grabbed at any moment. Side bags can be used to store daily necessities such as bottles, with provided instant external storage when you need, all to customize a fit to your outdoor activity. The interior capacity of the backpack is big and functional. Various layers for one to sort out stored items such as storage of 14-inch laptops, tablet computers, electronic products, bottles, and even more. All up to your personal needs. Digital bag. Suspendable multi-layer wash bag. It would also be no problem if one were to carry a lens and digital camera with interchangeable lens digital bag. You will be notified by the Bluetooth tracking system in place to prevent loss or to help you find your stuff. Attachment to a suitcase to create that perfect business travel experience. The world is a challenge at times, but with the KUWOW Backpack, you're prepared for anything and the world is your playground. Thank you for supporting us.
This is your new Minaal Daily. It'll arrive like this. If you don't need it quite yet, now's the time to stow it inside your Minaal carry-on. If it's time for action, the first thing to do is put away the seam-sealed rain cover. You can stuff it inside the dedicated pocket, or pack it inside itself and store it wherever you like. Next, pull out the anchor fins from hidden mode and connect the straps. Inside the lie-flat device compartment, there's a document sleeve, an organizer panel for everyday tools, and the neoprene device suspension system. It's adjustable for a secure fit, and because it's suspended away from the sides, your laptop's protected no matter how you drop the bag. Inside the main compartment, you have two built-in storage pockets, loops for the Minaal shirt protector accessory, and a secret stretch fabric bottle holder to keep your liquids locked in while you're on the move. Choose the ideal height for your chest strap, then connect it or tuck it away for a dangle-free experience. The final step is to adjust for your ideal fit, just in time to make your move.
Pour créer, il faut souffrir. Pour souffrir, il faut vivre. Pour vivre, il faut crowdfunder. Je suis vivant. Je suis création. Je suis souffrance. Je suis...
Hey Kickstarter. Oh hey. I don't know what those last guys were talking about because life since our last Kickstarter project has been pretty sweet. First we went to not one but two Genuine concerts.
Then, thousands of you from around the world started sending us photos of the bag you helped create.
And most exciting, you told us that you wanted
More!
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 More! More!
It's a bag. The Daily is the newest addition to our family. The same Minaal mix of rugged outdoor technology and clean design, but compact, meaning you stay professional and efficient, all day, every day.
The Daily comes with our custom seam-sealed rain cover, fully tuck-away straps, and a bunch of organisation for your essentials.
Again, we prioritised easy access, and the bag's compact size enabled a full lie-flat laptop compartment, meaning an even smoother path through security.
And last but not least, the Daily fits inside the carry-on laptop compartment.
Did someone say carry on?
I said carry on.
Yeah, I know you said carry on. Now, we love our firstborn dearly, but after thousands of hours of real-world testing and feedback, we knew it was time for some genetic engineering.
The internal pockets are now 3D, meaning like 1,000,000 times more space for your stuff.
The new side hook system makes it even easier to get inside the bag, adds a secure mode option, and increases compression.
The shoulder stabilizer clips are now magnets.
Ooh.
We gave the backpack straps thicker padding for extra comfort,
Re-engineered the carry handles for a smoother feel,
and elasticated the drink cord for quicker access and a better hold.
Something amazing laptop system.
your electronics are safer than ever, thanks to our new patent-pending suspended design, included in both bags, which adjusts to hold your laptop and device away from danger.
Even cooler than that, you can now pull them out in both directions.
We started Minaal because we wanted a better bag. With your support, we're ready to take the next step. We believe in creating the best tools for people doing interesting things. People who explore, who build, who can't wait to wake up and make their next move. And if that sounds like you, we would be stoked to see you on the road. Also be stoked if you press that green button over there. Might be on mobile though, maybe. If they're on mobile, the green button's probably down there, so just find green. Wherever the green button is, you want to press that.
sea, glaciers, rivers, lakes. Unpredictable rains make the Earth a watery place. This has inspired us to design a backpack pushing current limits. We dreamed up something functional, completely waterproof, yet with a design that would fit any outdoor activities and look just as good in a business meeting. One backpack is not only waterproof, but will float with quick-drying materials to allow you to go straight to work after a swim at the lake. You won't need to worry anymore about your computer, tablet, or phone staying dry and protected, even in the worst weather conditions. We began by researching existing solutions in the current market, but couldn't find anything to satisfy our needs, so we accepted the challenge and started designing. Finding the right solution to erase the barrier between a technical pack and a fashion bag. We're proud to introduce to you the ultimate monsoon-proof cycling on water Riviera backpack. The fabric is ballistic tarpaulin, made to be the most water-resistant material and to stay strong for a lifetime. Shoulder straps are ergonomically designed with top-grade EVA to keep you completely dry and offering the most comfort. Our Riviera pack is the right solution for your contemporary working life, considering urban jungle challenges, global travels, and an active life of sports. The bag comes with a detachable laptop case, mobile holder, and extra capacity straps. The laptop case has special internal shock-absorbing pockets that fit iPad, mobile, chargers, USB, and more. The mobile holder has an easy-access zippered pocket to store your credit cards. 20 features and 11 functional pockets between the main compartment and accessories are designed to hold all of your gear. The stitch and zip-free main compartment makes the bag extra watertight. The back EVA design maximizes air ventilation. Internal isolation panel ensures heat isolation with innovative materials, keeping your back sweat-free even on the hottest day. A removable sternum strap helps to carry your heaviest load. The orange clip is also a security whistle. Each strap has its own strap keeper to maintain a minimalist look without any loose hanging parts. 3 different closings: urban roll-up, sailing sack mode, or floating mode. Fits any of your needs. Easy access front pockets are designed to fit book. Its specially designed fast dry ventilation holes help dry your wet clothes faster than any other bag. Side handles offer extra storage for a wet, sandy towel, or extra clothing layers. A detachable computer case is specifically designed to be 360 degrees, shock absorbing, waterproof, and can keep your high-tech tools safe and protected. First impressions count, and Riviera will fit your most important occasions. A back hidden pocket is perfect for passport or valuables. We just want you to fear less and trust more, embracing your business without boundaries.